So I've been using castor oil packs for some time now, but turns out I was using them wrong. I've made some subtle changes that have made all the difference. My water retention significantly less. I am sleeping like a baby. I'm just so excited to share those updates with you. If you're new here, my name is Rachel. Each week I put together content on the things I'm absolutely loving. And let me tell you, castor oil is one of those things that I'll be talking about time and time again because it is that great. When it comes to castor oil packs, there are two very important components. One being the castor oil itself. You really want quality. This is not sponsored in any way, but after my research and what I found, I really think the best option we have is with the Queen of Thrones brand. So quality castor oil is really important. And then compression. So the compression helps with the absorption of the castor oil, and because oil itself can leach certain toxins like plastics, you do want to make sure that your castor oil comes in a glass amber bottle, as that helps maintain the integrity of the castor oil. And then for the compression piece, because oil can leach onto different chemicals and castor oil is so absorbent, you want to make sure that the pack you use is organic cotton. When I was really early on in my castor oil journey, and by early on I mean 5 months ago, I was using a cheapo castor oil pack that probably had plastic and probably had various toxins in it, and I really didn't realize how important it is to make sure that you're using a high quality pack, just because that castor oil can absorb any toxins and then your body is then absorbing that castor oil. So also a reason why any oils you get, whether it's olive oil, avocado oil, glass is best. So getting high quality products, and if you're like me, sometimes I like to start cheap just to see if it's something I'm actually going to use, because I try so many different things. That's probably why I started castor oil out the way I did. I didn't want to invest $70 or whatever it was going to be. But now, because I have experienced the benefits of castor oil, I'm like, it is worth the investment for me. That's tip number one. Tip number two, I found the best benefits of castor oil come when I use it overnight. I sleep better than I ever have. I also feel extra debloated in the morning, which is what I live for. Ahead of doing castor oil packs overnight, you want to ease yourself into it. So start with 1 hour with the castor oil packs. Over time, you can make your way up to doing it nightly. I am now in the experimental phase of doing castor oil packs every day for a month, and I'll be sure to report back. In addition, I'm going to create other videos on the endless applications and benefits of castor oil. But for now, given I'd been doing castor oil packs wrong for so long, had to put together this video for you. Get good quality, ease your way into it. And when it comes to the placement of the castor oil pack, on your right side is ideal. And then if you have tips of your own, please, please, please enter in the comments below. It's a huge help to everyone. And just be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell. That way you can see the next video. Thanks so much.